What's happening, everybody? Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Today is Friday, and Greg is behind me in Stay Puft. We are headed towards Ironwood National Monument. We're going to meet up with Motley Rue, Where Are You? And Paige, hang out for the weekend. So I thought, what the hell, we'll take you guys along with. My name is Brian. This is Vintage Van Life. Thanks for stopping by. I do all kinds of old van stuff and old stuff, and tinker here and off-grid there and solar panel this and all the fun stuff. We're getting close to the end of October and the weather is starting to get to be kind of choice for southern Arizona, so that is awesome. We're just gonna head up there, chill out for the weekend, hang loose. I don't know how many people are gonna be up there, if it's gonna be packed. We'll find out. Check it out. It's an old cowboy film. What's going on, everybody? Greetings from Ironwood National Monument. Hanging out with my boy Greg over there. We got some bugs hanging out with us right now. Got a beautiful sunset going over there. There's a war wagon. Just got in here. And there's definitely some bugs out here, but not as bad as some places. All right, I'll get camp set up and then we'll actually do something. When Greg and I were coming out with Stay Puft from Pennsylvania, we were at a Love's gas station in Oklahoma. I forget the name of the town, but let's just say it was right outside of Oklahoma City, I believe. And there's an inscription here that says this: if found, please post on Facebook group, and this is in quotation marks, donate life rock painting. With a photo, then moved to the next spot. On the sides, it's got some stuff here that says, I survived a liver transplant 10/9/23. And then on this side, it also says, in memory of my anonymous donor. So that's pretty cool. I agree. Organ donation saves lives. It's a good thing. So this is a cool thing. What do you guys think, Graham, Greg? Where should we put it?
Big cactus.
Probably put it somewhere where it can be found. Don't worry. I think we're in Ironwood National Monument. We're close to Ironwood National Monument. Just walking out, checking out my Sofirn ST1 light. This thing is freaking awesome, guys. I love this thing. And there's the war wagon. Big ass saguaro here. Look at that thing, dude. How freaking cool is that, huh? I wish I could show you the... Maybe I can. Can I show you the stars? Anyway. Yeah. We're hanging out tonight. Some cactus under the flashlight. Look at that, huh? Freaking cactuses are cool. The desert is awesome at night. The desert is awesome during the day, but it's even better at night. No campfire tonight. None of that stuff, man. We're just desperados. Like, look at how far this freaking light shoots, dude. It's crazy. Sofirn ST1. Put you a link into the description. a lovely October morning, about 75 degrees, standing in a giant cactus. The only thing making noise is the wind and me. I am out here with Greg and Graham and Stay Puffed, and we're just being lazy this weekend. There's the War Wagon camp. I'm flying the American flag today, baby. And then up there, whoop, that's Motley Rue. Where are you? Here, look at that. That's a nice shot, huh? Damn, I should have parked the War Wagon there for a thumbnail. If I'd have known this camp was here, I would have taken this one. Look at this. Now, Rue and Paige are over there, but you can't really see them that much. And then you could just kind of come in here and chill in your little spot. Lots of great spots out here. Lots of beautiful views, too. What are you doing, Graham Cracker? Huh? What are you doing, bud? What are you doing, Graham? Huh? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? You're looking for tarantulas. Did you find any? You don't care that I'm here, do you?
Are you filming now?
I'm filming. Don't worry, I'll cut the audio out. Nice hat, Paige. What do you think, Graham? Graham's turning into a desert rat pretty quick. Say, bud. Yeah, buddy. What are you doing, buddy? See that? That's a helicopter. Search and rescue underway at Ironwood National Monument. I will keep you posted. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. It's a Sunday morning. Graham and I are just kind of cruising around some campsites and checking them out. Motley Rue, where are you? AKA Lisa and Paige just left. Greg and I are pretty much packed up. War Wagon's still hiding over there. Graham is totally enthralled with all the wonderful things he gets to smell here. Yeah, he's having a rough morning, huh? Beautiful spot, man. Beautiful spot. If it's not on your radar, make sure you put Ironwood National Monument on your spot list. And there's so many different spots out here. There's giant group spots, and this is the coolest group of spots I've been at yet out here. There's about 6 of them. And if you had 6 people camping together, they're just far enough that it'd be like hanging out in your neighborhood, you know? Yeah, it's been a nice weekend out here. Everybody had a good time. Had a lot of laughs. Ate some great food. Told a bunch of good stories. Yeah, we had a really nice time. It was Greg's first time camping out here in the desert with Stay Puffed. And I think he's hooked. Maybe we'll get him to make a video one of these days. I don't know. But Graham is enjoying this a lot. How's it going? All right, so we're heading out of Ironwood right now. It's a little dark in here. I hope that's okay. Great time. Had an absolutely fantastic time hanging out with Lisa and Paige from the Motley Rue Where Are You channel. Didn't do much. You know what I mean? We ate, hung out. Hadn't done that for a while. It's getting to be camping season, you know, camping with your friends season, courtside season. So I gotta shake the bush off a little bit and start becoming a social human being, because for the next couple months, four or 5 months, that's what's going on. Road's still not bad, you know what I mean, compared to Reddington Pass. This road is like a highway. All right, guys, I will check in with you if something else happens, or that could be the end of the video.